Good afternoon to everyone. This is the power of healing with Utabi Ungowe Ketelo. I'm sure this is just going to be a short video. I just want to clarify something. Bomakhosi bantwana basekhaya bantwana bethonga bantwana besithunzi. I want us to teach each other about branding and identity. Khona into esi-misunderstandayo about branding and identity ku-spirituality yomuntu or umuntu who's in the spiritual space, right? I'm sorry, I don't wanna offend anyone. I don't wanna maybe ngithi ngizifake ey'ntweni zabantu, but I just wanted to ukulungisa somewhere lapho esiyilahla khona sizohlekwa amazwe bangabe senza into esingayazi ukuthi siyenzelani or siyenza ngoba kwenze njani. I always say spirituality comes with a lot of wisdom. So I saw a video kagogo engicabanga ukuthi uhlonishwa kakhulu eSouth Africa, uGogo Sikhotheni. I saw a video yakhe. Angifuni ukungena kuye kakhulu, but ngiye ngiyibonile the podcast, and I don't usually comment ngama podcast abantu futhi angiwabukeli kakhulu. I don't want to confuse myself kuspace engikuso. But anyway, she said she doesn't want to lose the brand kaGogo Sikhotheni. Mind you, what I know is that your brand is your identity. Yabona uMcDonald's njengoba uMcDonald's waba uMcDonald's, I think waze wahamba emhlabeni futhi wahamba emhlabeni. Akusashintshi. Your brand becomes your identity and your identity becomes your brand. What does that mean? If njoba ngithi mina the power of healing with Utabi, ngithi mina nguNgowe Khethelo, if I was using uNgowe Khethelo everywhere, I would be uNgowe Khethelo regardless. So awukwazi ukuthi kithi guys asifundisane, awukwazi ukuthi kithi sengishiyile kulomsebenzi bengiwenza kodwa I still want to sengishiyile identity, but I still want to use the brand. Because for me that does not make sense. Uyayilahla into ngoba lento ayikho, ayisebenzi, kodwa ubuwena ukwaziwa kwakho, your fame comes, your legacy comes from that identity. Because then I believe ukuthi that identity kahle kahle usaphiliswa yiyo iyakondla. Wabona once une brand ne guys, and then you say Mnandi Godas, asisho njalo. Mnandi Godas becomes you are Mnandi Godas. Once you start changing the name, do you know what happens? You was kahle ukuthi uzoluza amakhasa, because nobody can identify ngalelo gama. So when you say I don't want the identity, but I want the brand, but I want the identity to work for me, like guys, I'm so lost. I'm lost. Mina bangabuthi uyayigcina, that means lento isakuvulele indaweni ezithize iminyango. The very same brand or the very same identity isakuvulela iminyango ethize, iyakusebenzela. But yet wena uthi lento ayikho, and wena so reformed to something else. Ngicela ningifundiseni mhlambe yimi wrong guys, or mhlambe yimi oqakwa spirituality angazi, but I just wanted to understand that part ukuthi mina immediately uthi uNgowe Khethelo, or immediately uthi the power of healing with Tabi. That's me. I am that. The power of healing with Tabi is me, and Tabi is the power of healing with Tabi. So if umuntu athi I am so and so the medium, initially says i-brand yakhe ithi Nhlanhla the medium. Once wathi ngelinye ilanga mina sengiwu uNhlanhla, there's no weight on that. But if you involve the identity, then you will be known. So awukwazi ukuthi usaziwa emazweni elimini labantu mabakhuluma ba refer to the very same brand name othi wena i-brand, and then bese uthi they identify you ngaleyo nto. That means leyo nto iyaphila kuwe, ihamba nawe, usewuyiyo, iwuwe. Angazi noma maybe I didn't understand that part. Angifuni ukungage kakhulu what was discussed there, but I just wanted to understand that part. Ngendlela mina ngibone ngayo ukuthi sizozenza ngathi asibuya sifundile or asivulekile emakhanda. Sizozihlekisa ngabantu, guys. Sizozihlekisa ngabantu. You cannot use into because it's benefiting you and then at the same time discredit that thing. Then you are contradicting yourself and confuse abantu. And there's one thing that I know about amaThonga. amaThonga are very smart. Smarter, in fact. As much as isibabuka njengabantu abalele and so, they are smart. They know most what's your next move. But yet they will make you keep that. The identity, they will make you keep it whether you like it or not. Because yithe sagenzela igama, yithe sagenzela ukuthi ubonwe yizwe yithi. Now wena usafuna thina, right? Kodwa igama lethu uyalifuna. Please make it make sense to me, guys. I'm sorry. Maybe you may understand the spirituality, but please make it make sense to me. Thank you.